Hi, beautiful angels. This is Miss Tixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is what is next coming in your life. Charms reading, yes, friends. So, here it is now. Many of you requested this reading, so here it is now. It is our weekly feature. So, make sure to subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot, friends. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you never miss a reading, friends. And also, if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. At the end of every month, one person is selected for a free reading. So subscribe, like, and share. Only those who subscribe are selected. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. You can watch it whenever you feel like. It will still resonate with your situation and help you out. Also, this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. Also, friends. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. And yes, there are super schemes going on personal reading. So make sure to subscribe and buy your own reading. Also, friends, thank you so much. Some of you donated to our channel. Thank you so much. Many angel blessings. It means a lot. And everything you donate goes to you back only for your decks, for the readings. And I will continue to keep working more and more. So don't worry. And this is a charms reading. So let's start. Without further ado, let's take a deep breath. Relax, let's take a deep breath and choose option number 1, this beautiful manifest card. Card number 1, the manifest. Card number 2, lead. Card number 3, success and growth. Relax, take a deep breath and choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly go and skip there. You can also choose more than one pile, friends, and you can also watch the entire reading. That's all right. You can also make it like love, work, and career. That's okay. And we'll see the charms shortly. Let's see option number 1. Who chose this beautiful manifest card. Number 1, I see something beautiful manifesting your way, or you are working for something, some beautiful changes in your life, some beautiful positivity. Yes, I see that happening, something sudden, something beautiful happening. These are your oracle messages. This is your advice. We're gonna look at them shortly. I'll be pulling your charms also. Let's see your cards. Ooh, Two of Winter. I see you start this. You're feeling a little confused right now about some situation, whether it is in love or work or in life in general. You're feeling a little confused, a little upset about something, like you don't know what to do. Should you change your job? Should you leave your city or country or not? Should you travel or not? Should you stay or not in a relationship? Some confusions, some doubts are happening. You are feeling stuck in some situation. Procrastination and worrying about what others will think is blocking you from making a decision. If you are torn between your own desires and someone else's, follow your own inner guidance. Yeah, so there may be a lot of people asking you or giving you ideas to do this, do that, but you are like, should I follow my path or not? But I feel you are stuck, you are confused about something. It's not about other people, I feel. It's about you. You are confused about, should I go here? Should I do this? Should I go here or this? So let's see. This is how you're currently feeling, but 8 of Autumn. So I feel like you're on the right path. Maybe you're doubting your path this week, but you're on the right path. It is time to keep working. It is time to keep taking action. I do see that if you are looking for a job, it is coming very quickly. So start working, start preparing for the interviews. If you have exams, you should not think whether you will pass or not, because I think hard work will make you successful. Sorry, that's the trick here. Actually, that's always the trick. Sometimes, we are lucky that we might not do a lot of work, but we are successful. But most of the time, it is that you work hard, you get the success. So that's how I see. I see you working a lot. I see you getting involved in something, studies, education. Also, spying someone's social media. Yeah, I see you doing that. So knowledge, you are gaining a lot of knowledge this week. I also feel like Any hard work you are doing, you're on the right path. Whatever you are doing, studying, learning, career, whatever you are taking action in or putting your efforts in, you're gonna find the rewards of it. So don't worry. Let's read the card. It is the perfect time to learn. It is the perfect time to learn all you can by all means you can. It is. Do your best work, and the law of attraction will bring you prosperity and career advancement. So, see, you're on the right path. If you are doubting your path, whether you should change something, whether you should do something else, I think you are on the right path, whether it is in love, work, or career. And you should keep taking the actions you are taking. In fact, if you can, take more actions, learn more, study more, prepare well. And I do see you reading a lot this week. Three of Springs, yeah, expansion is coming your way. A lot of expansion is coming. The expansion, the things which you are waiting for, opportunities which you are waiting for, some sort of an excitement is coming this week. You will feel like, yeah, you will feel like, yes, things are going well. This confusion will end. You will find some expansion that will happen in your life. Stop to take time to review and make long term plans, capitalizing upon your past success. It is appropriate to put yourself on the back for all it is appropriate to pat yourself on the back for all your accomplishment, but you may also need to be patient for the next phase to begin. Wow. So friends, you are doing a great job currently. Don't be so hard on yourself, don't judge yourself. I do see that things will be moving positively for you, shifting positively for you in your work, in your career, in your love life. So, just a bit of patience. I know it's not fun to be patient, but things are going to expand. Maybe you want to travel, yes, it will happen. Things will shift, things will be open for you. If you are waiting for job call, it will happen. If you are waiting for exam results, yes, they will be good if you prepare well. Let's see. Also in love, I think, if you are single, I think you are ready to mingle because, yeah, because I think you are done. You are manifesting a beautiful partnership. Yes, you are on the right path. You are doing exactly the right thing. So keep doing that. Somebody new is coming your way. Strength 1111. Twin flame romance is coming your way. If you are having health issues, I feel things are going to get better in your health. I do feel like some of you have health issues or anxiety or self doubt. It is going to heal, friends. You are going to come on top of this problem that you are having right now. If you have money issues, you're gonna recover from that. Absolutely. True strength is True strength is displayed through kindness, forgiveness, compassion. You have tremendous personal power and courage. So you are very strong, friends. Do not doubt yourself, your power in any way, whether in love, work, even in family. You may be doing all the work, but nobody is appreciating you. Or in love, you are doing the work, but nobody appreciating you. You appreciate yourself this week because I see you're very strong, you're very powerful, and you're very hardworking. So, woohoo! Very nice. King of Autumn, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you. I feel like some of you are trying to manifest more money in your life, or success in your life, or fame in your life. Yes, friends, it is going to happen. You are on the right path. If you are looking for a job or you are giving exams, you will be successful. Also, in love, I feel like someone is waiting for the right time to make a move towards you. This Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or this Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, they are waiting for the right time to make a move towards you. Because they are kind of stuck right now. They are busy at work. They see this is a strong connection, so they will make the move at the right time. The dreamer, yes, a new start is coming for you. Expansion. I do see that this week you are very emotional. Like you have a lot of dreams about the future, what you want to do in the future, where you want to be, long term goals, long term themes. And mostly, I see this week is about your future and money and career and where you will be in the future, like how you will be married. This week, you are very focused, or whatever whenever you watch this reading, you're very focused on your future, how things will be in the future, where you will be, what will you achieve, all those things. Travel, some new starts are coming. You are trying to step outside of your comfort zone, and that's a great thing. A new start is gonna happen soon for you. It's not happening right now, or in the next few days, but it will happen in the coming days. So this is gonna happen soon for you, like, within the next 30 days it will happen, a new start. So I do feel, friends, whatever you are doing, you are on the right path. It is not the perfect time to change a situation, to leave a job or something. This is a better time to manifest, keep working hard, and to try your luck. This is that time. I also see in love someone wants to have a fresh start with you. Also, someone new is coming your way, and it is by a stroke of luck. You may be manifesting, and you will meet this person through studies, through common friends, or through your work or career, or through like they are a healer or somebody like that. You meet them, like for you go for some healing or some Reiki practices, and you meet them there. So someone new is also coming. So someone is coming, friends. Look at that. Prince of Summer, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Wow, someone young. So I do feel there is a young romance also coming your way, or attraction, crush happening, some crush energy. If someone is crushing on you, you are crushing on somebody. A deeply emotional and fulfilling relation experience will sweep you off your feet. Things can move very quickly during this phase, and so stay balanced and make decisions with both your heart and your intellect. So something, this is an emotion. I told you, this is, you are very emotional this week, rather about your future than your love life, about your future, or even you're dreaming a future with somebody, how things will be when you are married, what will you do, how things will be. I see someone new is coming. Someone new is coming, and you may feel a bit confused about this person. Can you trust them or not? Maybe they are younger than you. Maybe this is a same sex relationship for some of you. You are like, can I trust them? Can I trust this? Is this a frog or a prince? You are like, how many frogs will I kiss before I find my prince or princess? So that's the thing. But I think this person is good. I do feel they are a good person. Prince of Spring, Prince of Wands. So wow, I do see a there is a lot of passion in this connection. There is a lot of attraction. So you're feeling passionate towards some goal, some buddy, some lover. Even you may be missing your ex lover also, or someone from the past, your twin flame. There is two energies, one past and one new, and you are like, you don't know which one to choose from. You are a bit confused, but I see you choosing your future. I see you choosing money, career, everything else other than love. All right, an opportunity arises that needs your attention right away. Moving quickly is important, and yet there is nothing you can't handle if you allow your inner guidance to follow through. So yeah, I think something will happen, something exciting out of the blue, like something is manifesting in your life, which is even universe is not telling right now what is happening. We'll look with the charms, but I see something is manifesting, like some excitement. Maybe someone will message you, it will make you excited, like wow, what is happening, or some news about a job is coming, so you feel excited. Or some interview calls are there, or you find that you clear an exam, you get an online submission done, and you're like wow, someone compliments you, you're like wow, someone new compliments you, and there is like, oh, sparks are flying, love is there. So yeah. Ooh, man holding a coin. Money is seriously important to you, and someone rich, someone loving, someone stable. It could be a marriage proposal, or it could be someone from social media, dating sites coming for you. Someone has their eye on you. I also see this is more about work, money coming your way, some new expansion in your work, or new ideas, or people coming who can expand your work and career. The door to romance, number 33. So yeah, love is coming your way. Love is something will happen in your career which will open doors to romance also in your life, like you get a new job, or you meet someone at work where there is love. Number 33, 333 is important for you. So love and work both are combined here for you, and someone is manifesting, or you are manifesting a lover. It's coming, friends. You are very, very close to achieving it, so don't doubt yourself. In fact, be careful, because you will have choices also, like 2 3 choices also. So you will have to decide which frog is the one you want to kiss or not to kiss. Shine, number 19. So, a lot of people are drawing your attention. You know, a lot of people are attracted towards you. You are shining. Also, I feel like restrictions will be over. You will find excitement, a joy, a sense of being alive this week and reach out. Yeah, you want to talk to people. This is like you coming out of a long, long period of aloneness. And now you are like, I want to meet people. I want to talk to them. I want to do, not work from home, but I want to go and meet people and work with them there. So, like, people want to talk with you. You want to talk with them. So, there is this energy of sharing, caring, about work, about future, about love. So lots of potential there. Let's see your advice, then we're gonna look into your charms. Have faith in your dreams, waxing crescent moon. So, yes, you're very close to achieving a goal, whether it is a job or a promotion or money or a new lover. You're very, very close to achieving it. So, the best thing you need to do is keep doing what you are doing, have faith, and stay positive. And also keep, talk to people. Talk to people. It is the time for you to talk to people, get to know them well, and not just don't just stand and stare or be alone. Shine. You are shining. This is your moment. Let's see your charms. Pile number one. What's gonna happen for pile number one? Ooh, wow. So letter P fell out. So that might be important for some of you. Maybe it's your name or someone else's name with P. It fell out, jumped out. Let's see. Ooh, wedding ring. So definitely marriage is important here. Commitment, marriage or business alliance or some sort of a commitment is important. Let's see. Wow. So PE, your initials are PED, and pet. Yeah, I think someone likes you a lot like a pet, maybe they have a pet or somebody, something like that, or they feel like, you are their pet or something, or they are your pet in some ways. Also, Ted, their name could be Ted, or they have a pet named Ted or Teddy or something like that. The letter is also P here. So Ted and P, not much letters you got. You have the red car. So this is about following your passions, friends. This is, you need to follow your passion because that is where your future lies. Positivity, think positive. Health issues will resolve. Blue, you are studying, friends. I see you. Your focus is mostly on work, career, and future. So you'll be learning a lot. Finding solutions. A lot of, also I see you getting some courses done or applying to online courses, registering to new courses. You want to get knowledge. You are hungry for knowledge this week. Also, people are hungry to know you. So someone want to know you better, and reconciliation, and this is also like a new juicy relationship coming for you, and a reconciliation also. So it's up to you whom you choose. Iron, you're trying to fix things in your life, especially your money situation and your future. You want to make your future bright, and that's what you're working on. The moon bead, yes, emotions are a bit high this week, so keep that in mind. The pawn, you feel like you are powerless in a situation, maybe in a love situation. You can't do much, but I see commitment is coming. If you are single and worried about marriage, commitment will happen. You may meet somebody this week or in the future that will offer you commitment or marriage. Also, the white bead is about staying peaceful. Know that you are on the right path, and look at that lucky news. I told you some lucky messages are coming, some messages which are destined, maybe of love or money or career. So get ready, some lucky news, some news is coming which is meant for you, a message. Leaf, I think, friends, something will start or something is growing in your life. It is money, I feel. Money is growing for you. So don't worry, you are on the right path. Also, this is like silver leaf is like, you are born with a silver spoon or you are about to be reborn with a silver spoon. like success is coming your way, and leave. Don't worry so much, don't think so much, you're fine, you're fine. Ace of coins, something new will start in work, love, or career. Seven of here, yeah, someone has hurted you, so you are like, shall we trust people or not? Two of wands, he met a lot of maturity, dreams. Yes, you're very focused on your career, on your dreams and goals. August is important for some of you. Someone born in August, cows, motherly feelings, taking care of yourself, taking care of your mother, and your being your own mother, being your own parent. Like, that's the energy. Past life, a past life connection, a romance is coming. Prince of cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important for you. Classy, yes friends, you are very classy, and it is attracting a lot of attention for towards you. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars, so look at that. So definitely you may be confused about certain things in your life, but it is leading towards the brightest. You will be this bright star, so don't worry, and have a great time ahead. And that's it for now. And subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share, join us on Insta. And this is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you choose option number 2, this beautiful lead card, let us see what's coming next for you. We'll see. This is a charms reading, so we're gonna pull your charms also. Let us see what's gonna happen for you. This is a beautiful card. I feel you taking charge of a situation, becoming a master or leader of your own destiny or some situation in your life. I also see this is beautiful. This is like you were this emperor, but no one crowned you, or no one saw you, or no one recognized you. But suddenly, everybody is recognizing that yes, you are the one. Look at here, you are also the emperor here, but nobody crowned you. Now it is like a crowning success, a graduation, a party. So these are your oracle messages. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. Let's see first your cards. Oh, you're feeling a bit heartbroken. You're also feeling a bit sad, a bit alone, a bit left out. I don't know why you're feeling this way, but it seems like, maybe you're busy working all alone, or there is a lack of friends, like nobody understands you right now, nobody is with you right now, family, friends, or maybe even lovers. It is like, someone has hurted you in love, and also your friends and family kind of not understand you, and you're disappointed with that. You feel hurt, you feel alone currently right now, and I'm sorry for that. Sadness is a part of life. Let's read the card. But you don't have to uh, endure it alone. You may need a little time to heal, but once you work your way through the emotions, you will be stronger than before. So wow, this is beautiful. Sadness is a part of life, but you don't have to be alone to bear this sadness. So I do feel that things are going to change for you. You may be feeling left out, or alone, or hurt, like somebody has really hurt you. Maybe I feel it is not just a lover, it could be family, it could be a friend, or somebody, a colleague. Someone has hurted you right now or in the past, and you feel sad about it. You may be just single and feeling lonely, but the Valentine's Day is not here, but you're still feeling lonely. I mean, like, loneliness it's a common thing nowadays. We are all lonely, I guess, isn't it? Well, we all come alone, we all go alone, so guess it's part of life. But as human beings, we crave for affection, isn't it? I feel for you guys, I feel for you. Don't worry. Let's see what else will happen. Let's see that. So, Ace of Winter, wow, you're gonna recover from this. A breakthrough is coming. I see if you are dealing with a heartache or health issues or anxiety or any of those things, depression, you're gonna recover, friends. A breakthrough is coming. Someone is either going to help you out, or you're gonna help yourself. And it's like, boom, this is what you need. Some direction is coming. It's like, you are going here, and you are stuck here, and God pulls you out and asks you to, like, pushes you out and moves you ahead. So a breakthrough is coming, and I feel it is a destined breakthrough. It is a divine breakthrough. It is divinely orchestrated. It is something which is meant to happen for you. A new start, a new clarity, a new hope coming in your life. It could be an idea coming, it could be a call, it could be a friend coming for you. Implementation of your brilliant new idea may get you off to a rocky start, but keep going. The challenges will help you refine your plan and reshape your goals into something even better. Wow. So definitely a breakthrough is coming. You may not know how this breakthrough or this miracle will help you, how it will change you, how things will change, but you will, it is like, when you are sinking, even the one last inch of rope you can grab, it will help you and pull you out. So that's exactly what is going to happen. You will find an idea, you will find a hope, and it will automatically change everything in your life, change your mood, change your sadness into positivity. It will be like a life savior that's coming in. So get ready, friends. Eight of Springs, yes, you're gonna be busy, friends. I feel one of the things you can do right now to shift or this feeling of loneliness is to get busy at work. So yes, exactly, that is gonna happen. I think some of you are going to get very busy this week with work, with assignments, projects coming your way. I also see some friends might ask you to do their project reports or something, or maybe colleagues are like, hey, can you make my project reports? And you should take it because you're feeling lonely. So you should say, hey, fine, but if you take me out to a coffee, I'll do it. So, trade it, friends, because I see you need company and they can offer you that. So do it. Don't be shy in always, never be shy in asking for, your company, or, like, if someone asks you, you can do that. I think you can do that, especially if you know that person, like if they are your colleague or your friends or somebody. I see that you're gonna be very busy, friend. Some honey is coming your way, and I feel like, if you are worried about money, it is coming your way. Your hard work is gonna pay off, but I do see some hard work coming your way. Like you're gonna be really busy at work, in your life, in your career. Even if you are a student, you are suddenly going to be busy, and you are like, "What happened? I have just forgotten. I was lonely because there is so much work." Like something will happen in the family, and you are busy. You have to help everybody. There is a lot of work, so everybody is like, "Help us, help us, help us." So you're like, I have even forgotten, I have my own worries. So it's a busy week for you, friends. Get to work, get to action, check your shoes, because you need get your supplements and all, because you need a lot of energy. Busy, busy, busy. You have been presented with many wonderful opportunities all at once. While this may feel very stressful, remember to be grateful for the blessings that heaven sends you. Wow. So something heavenly is coming your way, friends. I told you, a miracle is coming, a hope is coming, a ray of sunshine. It may seem very small to you at that point of time, but it will change your life, and it will change the way you are feeling. So get to work, friends. Oh, the tower. So I do feel maybe this week or in the coming days a tower movement will happen. I also feel it has already happened for some of you, like some ending has happened and you feel upset about it. A tower movement, an ending. Maybe you left a job, or some friend or a lover ghosted you. You are upset about it. You are like, why this happened? But I see another blessing coming and taking its place. So don't worry. I see that, maybe some sudden things will happen, and it will be a blessing in disguise for you. Even this week or in the coming days, something will happen quite out of the blue for you. It could be like, it will make your life very hectic, it will make your life very busy. A change of plans, a change of destiny, luck coming your way, money coming your way, extra work coming your way, or your friends of asking you or helping you for a wedding or a party. Something is happening. So be care, be don't stay in this energy of unhappiness, because that's gonna shift. Important changes are coming into your life, and that will that will require you to take action. Don't hesitate to move in new directions, and know that you are perfect for this job. So something is coming, something is gonna happen out of the blue. I feel for some of you a tower movement have already happened. Maybe in a love situation, you left a lover or they left you, or some ghosting, blocking, everything, a war kind of a situation happened, but you will recover from it. You will recover. Seven of Autumn. Yeah, keep your patience, friends, keep your patience. You gonna really I know you will say like how much patience, I know that, but seven is the lucky number, seven is the magical number, it is the number, the Snow White and the seven dwarfs. So I think you should go and watch that movie, because fairy tales are beautiful, and I think you are in need of magic and fairy tales and romance. So I do see patience, your patience is gonna pay off. If you are single, you will find somebody out of the blue, or something will happen which will make you feel happy. If I also feel if your relationship is not going well, it will heal, friends. Just be patient about it. Your money situation will also heal. So in fact, I see not just money, I see so much work coming. And if you are a business person, so much work, so much in your career is coming work. You're gonna be seriously busy. You're gonna be like minting money, but you are like, where is my time? So don't grieve right now. If you are free and sad, let's enjoy that sadness. All right. The planning, resources, and efforts you have invested in your dreams will bring you great rewards. In the meantime, have patience, meditate on your next step. So yes, you are very close to achieving a breakthrough. You are very, very close. You may feel hopeless right now, but remember, things are gonna shift for you, friends. They are going to shift for you, and it may seem like a very small shift, like just an email for a new job, or a call letter, or just a message, someone saying hi, or someone crossing your path out of the blue. It may seem like a very small thing, but it's a blessing, it's a miracle that will change your life. 10 of summer, yes, family situation is going to heal, friends. Some of you may find somebody through in love from your family. I also feel that if you are in a relationship, things will get better, things will heal, romance will become more. Even if you are upset with your family, this week things will get better, or in the coming days, things will get better. It is time to express your love and appreciation for your family, be it relatives or your chosen family of close friends or lovers. Congratulations may be in order on a happy, fulfilling marriage, as well as a lasting and romance, as well as a lasting happy romance. So wow, see, something is coming. I feel out of the blue, you may not expect a person, they might message you back, someone who ghosted you, left you. They might message you, and there might be like, passions again flying, sparks of love flying for you. Nine of spring, you are very close to achieving your goals, friends. You are very, very close. You should not give up. This is not the time to give up. This is not even the time to doubt yourself, doubt your path. This is a time to lead. This is a time to take charge. No matter what your situation is, whether it is in love, work, or career, this is your time to take the leap of faith and keep going forward. When the road is foggy, we can't see far, but we still keep moving one step at a time, and that's how we cover the entire road. So don't worry. Don't worry. You have worked hard, and what you have created is impressive and worthy of praise. Um, Annoying challenges may pop up, but don't worry, you will get through them just as you have in the past. So, I do feel there will be some sort of a hiccup coming your way, or some sort of a mini tower movement, some changes, some sudden things happening. Like, you want to go on a holiday, but like family is like, no, please stay with us, or like, you want to go away. There is something like you want to do something, but a change of plans happens. But it is a blessing in disguise. It is a blessing in disguise. So don't doubt it, friends. You're very close to achieving a goal, very, very close. Also, you're very close to finding a breakthrough in love or a career situation. So keep working. Princess of Winter, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you. I also feel a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. I feel, friends, this is a time, when you should not worry too much, and you should plan well and prepare well, because I do see things are going to happen. Some messages, some important communications, also divine messages are coming your way. I see a lot of divine signs through birds, feathers, number 333111. You will see a lot of those numbers. There is an intellectual challenge that calls upon your ability to think of a solution. It If helpful information is put to you bluntly, accept the message without being baffled by the without being bothered by the messenger. I do see some, this is an insight is coming, friends. Some breakthrough is coming. I don't know whether you will know some, there is a chance you may actually ignore it, friends, because I see that a message is coming, a breakthrough through a tower movement is coming. Something sudden will happen, something suddenly will happen. It will be a very small thing, but it can change your life. So you have to be careful, and don't miss it. Also, don't be too much in your thoughts, don't be too much sad, otherwise you will miss this opportunity. Like someone will say hi, and it may not even register to you that this person wanted to talk to you or they have love for you. Also, some message may go to your spam emails, so check those things, because I see there is a lot of emotions, but there is also a lot of clarity, a lot of hope coming your way, but you may miss it if you are not focused. So listen, and also because you are busy, so you may just miss it. So keep your mind open, and I do see something will happen that will make you feel like, yes, we have won it. So let's see what else. Let's see your charms also, right? Adjacent possibilities. Yes, when one door closes, another one opens. So don't worry if one person is not talking, or if there is a relationship is not working. Some other ways of relationships or new people are coming your way. If one career is not working, other options are coming. Archangel Samuel, yes, self love is very important. I do see health, your health getting better, you working out, or you starting to get your health better. That's gonna happen. You working out on your body, on your physical, mental, emotional health. And let's see, release. Yeah, something, you need to release the past, you need to say bye bye. Maybe some endings or some past ache has happened, heartache, you need to say bye bye to it. It is becoming a baggage, it is stopping you from moving forward to a new romance or to a happy family that is destined for you, friends. Yes, Archangel Samuel, let go of the past, allow the new love, new happiness, new ray of hope to settle in. Share the love. Three of Cups, celebrations. Yes, friends, something is going to happen which will give your heart a happiness, a soothing pain, a soothing relief, a soothing solace. That's what I wanted to say. Oh my god. Wow. And I do see that, friendships are important. New friendships are coming, or some renewal is gonna happen in friendships. You're gonna find new friends, make new friends, or return of old friends, soulmates is gonna happen. A celebration. Maybe some of you are having your birthdays, or maybe some of you are going to get some recognition, some awards or something. So it may seem very small to you, but it is actually a breakthrough, it is a miracle that's coming your way, friends. So let's see some advice for you. It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. Wow, this is beautiful because we have a new moon in Pisces when we are doing this. It's on the 13th. So, yeah. Release negativity. Don't let fears stop you. Don't let past stop you. It is time for you. It is to say yes to good things. Good things are coming your way. Let's see your charms. Option number one, option number two. I don't know why I said one. Maybe you should check out the charms of one also, because maybe it has something to help you out. Option number two, what's gonna happen for them? Ooh, we got a lot of charms. Let's see. Wow, you have a lot of charms. Wow, something is coming. See, the wedding bell is here. So some of you may get an invitation to a party, a wedding. Some of you may be getting yourself, some marriage proposals, or some news, important news is coming, notifications. Also, don't forget to click the bell icon for our channel. Just kidding, friends. But it's nice if you click it, because you never get to miss a reading then. And yeah, you can always watch it and not miss it. So let's see your charms. Initials first. Bay. Wow, that's interesting. Bay. So someone, your Bay is coming back, your lover, your twin flame soulmate. And Cine pen, yeah, someone wanna write to you a letter, a news is coming, and yeah, that's also there, a letter, a news, someone want to write it down to you. There is also the feather, the writing pen. So yeah, someone want to write to you, important message, important news. You gonna write to somebody. Bay, a soulmate is coming. So initials are CBAEPEN, and you have the green car. Healing friends, your health is gonna heal, so don't worry. House, your family issues are going to heal. The moon bead, yes, emotions are a bit high. You may feel a bit insecure, or doubts are there in yourself or for your future. Don't doubt yourself. Things gonna be okay. Wheel of Fortune is here for you, so don't worry. Numbers, let's see your numbers. Number 15 is important, number 7 is important, number 18, and number 99 is important. 999, 18, 15, and 7 are important. And guitar, so maybe some of you want to be a guitarist or a musician or something, and you are like, nobody supports, nobody understands. I think you should believe in yourself, or a ray of hope is coming. Also, you may be dealing with somebody who is a musician, an artist, or someone from entertainment industry. So yeah, music is important. Some announcement are coming, trumpet, with time. So some important messages are coming. Again, this wheel of fortune, you have two wheel of fortune and the twin flame also. So money is coming your way. If you're worried about money, it will be fine. I think the doctor's, this is the doctor's hammer. So something, is, you want to fix something in your life. It is being healed. Don't worry. Messages are coming. Heart, yes, heart to heart conversations are coming. You're growing. Yes, your career is growing. Don't worry. This is the Robin, Spider-Man, or Robin, I don't know which one is it. Yes, someone is coming, an opportunity is coming, a person is coming very quickly into your life, and it might be a very quick thing. You may not notice it if you are too busy. The deer, yeah, you're feeling very sensitive. I also feel you are attracting a very sensitive, caring person, a new person, a caring, sensitive person. Tree of life, again, family is very important. There is a destined connection. You're very protected, and that connection is also very safe and protected. Someone is going to message you, a lover, a friend, a family member. Tortoise, take it slow, friends, take it slow. You also had this card of patience, 7 of pentacles. Flower, yes, things are blossoming, things are moving forward. Lion, leave the past, believe in yourself, be courageous, be fearless. Butterfly, positive changes, yes, positive changes are coming. This bead is to release the negativity. Don't believe in the negativity. July is important. So maybe something will happen now, but it will become more clear to you in July, or someone born in July. Past life, yes, past life connections are important for you. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, snake, transformations. I do feel a relationship is transforming, or your health is transforming, changing, shifting. 10 of coins, yes, ultimate happiness, success is coming. 9 of cups, wish is coming true. My god, you're gonna have a wish come true movement. I don't know if you realize it or not also, but it will make more sense once watch it again after a few months or something. This reading will make you more sense. Asia is important, and X is important. Yeah, you may recover from an ex or a breakup, or this person may reunite with you, or you may find somebody even better than them. 10 of cups, wow, 10 of coins, 10 of cups. 10 of cups, you again have the same card and the same 10 of cups as the charms and the card also. Family is very important. 3 of cups, oh my god, 3 of cups is here. Look at that. Celebrations, messages. Someone may have put you in third party, friends. You're gonna recover from it. Yes, you're gonna recover. They're gonna apologize, or something better is coming. So yes, celebrations are coming. Queen of cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Wow. And creativity, focus on your creativity, friends. Develop your creativity. It is perfect time for you to learn something creative. Also do some creative writing. Make a list of what you want for your future, because you're gonna definitely achieve it. You are this leader. So yes, friends, and yoo-hoo, what a week for you. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, and this is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot saying bye bye. So friends, if you chose option number 3, this beautiful growth and success card, let us see what is coming next for you. Sorry for the glare on the cards, it can't be avoided. I feel like, yeah, so let's see what's gonna happen. I'll be pulling your charms shortly. This is your oracle messages and your advice and charms. After that, let's see. I feel this is like success. This is like luck coming your way, money coming your way, something beautiful destined happening for you. Let's see actually what will happen. Ooh, oh my god, Eight of Winter. So currently you are feeling like you are a bit caged in, you are boxed in, you feel restricted, you feel slightly frustrated. There is something that's not moving in your life. There is a person who is not listening to you. There is a situation you feel restricted. Like you want your life, you want to be a free bird, you want to fly, you want to, you're gonna try, explore, but it is like you can't. Maybe because your family doesn't understand, maybe people around you or circumstances around you are not letting you fly, be a free bird. You feel restricted and you are unhappy. You feel unhappy about it. It is so easy. Just a second. I mean, the printing on these cards are not very good to read. It is so easy to convince yourself that you are trapped when you really are not. Trust that God will lift you to new heights and give you greater self-confidence if you affirm your freedom. Wow. So I do feel you're having issues about self-confidence. Also, fears, like you want to try something, but you are scared what will happen. Like you want to try or message to a new person, but you are scared. Also, someone may be scared to move towards you, like a lover, a twin flame, an ex-lover, someone in no contact. They want to move towards you, but they are like, I don't know what will happen if I make a move. Ooh, so remember, there is God. Remember that the cage's door is open. Let's see what else. So wow, the High Priestess. I do feel that, some important messages or news is coming towards you. I feel you're gonna find, wherever you feel stuck or trapped, or wherever you feel like you don't know what to do to change your situation, whether in love or work, you are gonna find the solutions. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your intuition. You know the answer. You know, what you need to do to change this situation. If you don't know, you are soon going to know through a insight, through a dreams, through a messages. I see you will be getting a lot of dreams, important dreams. I also do dream reading. So if you have a dream that keeps repeating or you feel is important, you can, buy that reading. I can help you with that. Just it was something I needed to say to some of you. Also, you will find the solutions. You will find that message that you need. Also your intuition is telling you that yes, you are right, this is the right thing to do. So trust it, honor it, believe it. This is the time to pause and reflect, not to take action. Trust in your spiritual gifts or nothing, as nothing is hidden from you and your divine wisdom. So yeah, you know everything. If you let your mind, if you silence your mind, you know all the answers. I also feel you are in a telepathic situation or a very strong commitment with somebody, or a telepathic union with somebody, maybe a twin flame, maybe a soulmate. So you feel very attached with that person. They also feel very attached, but at the same time, this relationship is stuck. You're like, what am I supposed to do? Balance, yes. Again, a major arcana. This is a week to find balance within your mind and your heart. You feel a bit scattered. I'm sorry to say that, but your heart wants something, your mind wants another thing, and you are stuck because of it. You feel trapped because of it. You want to stay in a relationship, like in a marriage, but you also love freedom, or you want to be in a relationship, but you love freedom. There is this contrast. Like you want to work, but you don't want to do too much of work. You want fame, but you don't want like to work for it, maybe. I don't don't know, there is something, there is a contrast between your heart and your mind. So stay in balance. It is very, very, very important to stay in balance for you this week. Also, some balance is gonna come into your life. If you feel like you are in an I feel some of you are in offices or situations at work which are not balanced, where you feel like trapped. There are people around you, they are talking, they are gossiping, you feel unhappy, you feel sensitive around these people, or you feel different from these people, and things are out of balance at your work or even in your studies, like people you study or work with. Balance is coming, friends. Some balance is coming, some healing will happen. So I see this is a multi thing. 10 of spring, you have a lot of things on your plate, friends. You're burdened, that's why you feel stuck. Like, you feel like, oh my god, I keep working, I keep pleasing people, nobody understands me, I keep doing all the work, but still the family is not happy. I am doing everything for my marriage or relationship, but still all the weight is on me, all the burdens are on me. What's happening? When will I get relief? You will find relief. You will find relief. Catch your breath. You will find relief. I see you need to rest, friends, because I see your legs may be aching, or it will be very soon, because I see you're busy walking, working, doing this, managing that. Your head is also aching, so take some rest. It's very vital for your health. I think. You are working far too much, and the stress will start to become much more now. Reach out for help from others and take some time to enjoy life and relax. See, exactly what I'm saying. You don't have to, maybe you are working too much, or you just don't realize it, that you have so much burdens or worries or workload. So try and put aside work for a day and just enjoy life, even if it's not a weekend. Just do it because you need it, friends. Also, you are very sensitive this week, so something is happening which you may miss out if you are burdened or if you are stuck. Empress, yes, you are very, this is your week to start new plans, new goals, or start working on things you are passionate about, taking care of your body, your health. Also, some of you may be worried about your mothers, your grandparents, your mothers, or your aunts, or if you are a husband, you're worried about your, like mother-in-law or something. I also feel that some of you want to have marriage, want to have babies. Expansion is there. I see that you are trying, there is some confusions about expanding the family or not to expand, to be a mother or not to be a mother. All those things. I think you will find the solution. Keep patience, friends. Keep patience. Prince of Winter, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for some of you. So I see clarity is coming in, peace is coming in your life, and it will be a quick week for you. It will go by like this before you know. So take some time to enjoy and relax. And I see someone wanna talk to you. Also, some people are a little blunt around you. You may not like it. Like some people are behaving like, how do I say this? They are behaving over smart. Like, hey, maybe if you have children, they are behaving like, hey, we know everything. They are outsmarting you. They are too much over smart. They are acting over smart, but you are like, what's going on? You feel tired, you feel sometimes, it's difficult to catch up with young people and the technology and everything. They are so quick, also. But don't take it personally, Also, it may be people around you who are a little blunt. Don't take it personally, don't take it personally. This is something that's happening. They are like that. You need to protect yourself because you are feeling a bit sensitive and you are overworked also. Get ready for prayers to speed up. This situation requires you to choose logic and intellect and over emotions and make your decisions quickly. So, yeah, I do feel that it is vital to choose yourself rather than other people this week. Also, to keep your health and keep your priorities important. Everybody wants their work to be done by you. Everybody, you may be the agony aunt this week or this in the coming times, like everybody wants to down put their burdens on you, and like you feel like, what's happening? Why is everybody coming to me? Because they want to dump their burdens on you, but you feel trapped, like you can't say no. But you can be intellectual, be wise, be a little blunt. And some people are a little blunt around you at work, or maybe some friends. Don't bother, don't worry, ignore them. Wheel of Fortune, yes, you are going to be successful. Luck is with you. So, this is a time to focus on your career. Don't focus on other people's stress, anxiety, worry, problems. This is a time to make yourself a priority, to focus on your work, your goals, your health, your life, because you're gonna be successful, friends. You're gonna be successful, and expect a sudden positive change in your life. You can be more you can now move forward and make great progress in your life. I do see that some of you might be traveling or shifting, or finally moving into a new home, buying a new car or something like that. Money is coming your way. Some new good new things. Oops, sorry. Good new things are coming your way. So, yoo-hoo. And the Queen of Autumn. Yes, friends. Yeah, I think some of you should be awarded. Actually, I would definitely award you, because the way you have handled things, the way the energy is right now in your life, my god, you need an Oscar for that. This is like the stellar performance. This is like you have handled a lot of responsibilities right now, and even in the future you're gonna handle it. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. I do see that there is a person who likes you, who loves you, but they are trapped, they are scared to come towards you, maybe because it's a twin flame connection, or maybe because of long distance or family issues. But this is a very intense telepathic connection. You can feel them, they can feel you. I do see some sort of a message regarding this relationship will come to you soon. Also, this person wants to develop things between this connection and you. I see some recognition coming your way at your work, some awards, some peace, some resolutions at your work and career are coming, some money coming your way. And Three of Autumn, yes, people are not behaving well, very nice to you right now, but in the future they're gonna turn, because once you start focusing on yourself, choosing yourself, people will start cooperating with you. They will start like, okay, they said no, so we need to value them. So you have to sometimes be tough, friends. You have to. I know it's not nice when you are a kind person, but yeah, sometimes you have to choose yourself. Otherwise, we can't help anybody, right? So it is like that situation when you are in an aeroplane. I see some of you are flying in planes, huh? Wow. Or waiting, I see some of you are going there for education exams or something, flying or for trips or work trips, aeroplanes. So they always say that put your mask first before you try to help others. Put your mask, because then you can help another one. So yeah, cooperation is coming, friends. People gonna cooperate with you, but first you're gonna choose yourself. That's more important. You're gonna say no to others, you're gonna say yes to your things, and that is exactly when people are gonna cooperate. If you are feeling stuck at work, new people or cooperative people are coming your way. Also, your family or someone who is behaving bluntly in love with you, they're gonna also be more cooperative, understanding, and more like, okay, fine, we understand you are busy, kind of, right? Let's see your oracle messages. Ooh, thinking women. Wow, I see some of you are very much busy learning something new. Also, you are very busy planning your future, planning the next move for your career, or taking, like preparing for exams. So you are very busy. Also, someone is stuck on you. They keep thinking, but they are not making a move. Like, they keep watching you, but they are stuck. They don't know what to do. Also, they may want to marry you. They see you as this wife or husband material, but they are not making an action. They are not taking any move or actions towards you or on this situation. So you are like, what is going on? Contract, yes, friends. There is a contract in a situation, and I see that if you are, a new contract is coming in your job, or a balance is coming in your work and career situation. Also, some of you are going to get a degree or some sort of a contract. Maybe some of you are going to start some work on a contract basis, like part time jobs or something. Some of you may start teaching also. Also, the situation in love life you feel stuck, it is because of a karmic situation. This is a past life situation which is making you feel stuck or frustrated. So, daydreams and decisions, Seven of Cups. Yeah, friends, you have to choose yourself. Everyone is choosing themselves. So, I think this time you have to choose yourself and make it a priority, because That's how I see it. Rebuild, yes. Someone wants to come back and rebuild things with you in a relationship or in a career situation or friendship. Rebuilding is happening. You are building, you are changing your life, and someone wants to change a connection with you, like rebuild it, start it. It's up to you whether you choose them or not. Let's see this advice. New start is coming for you, a new moon. And interestingly, there is a new moon on the 13th. So it is a timeless reading. So whenever you are watching, the next new moon is important. So a new start is coming, friends. You may not see it now, but it is very close. It's all darkness, but look at this moon, it's shining. So let's see your charms. Option number three. What's gonna happen for option number three? Okay, let's see. So, wedding ring, yeah, some of you are frustrated or you want some marriage issues are happening. I do see a potential person with marriage is coming. So, yeah, there is a contract, this is something spiritual happening. These are your numbers. Ooh, this is fit on a hat. Number 17, it might be important for some of you. Whew. I know what's going on, friends. I saw what's going on right now. So let's see your initials first and then we're gonna talk about it. So someone's name could be Dev, D-E-V, Dev, Deva, Deve, Devo, 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 I don't know, Bevo, maybe. Though names are important. Dev, Devo. Ved, the name can also be Ved, Vedika, Vedo, some names like that are important. Bed is also important. Yeah, some of you need to get when was the last time you met your bed and have a good sleep? I think a long time. So catch some good sleep this week. And VED and PEO, those are your initials. The numbers are number 12, number 17, number 28, and number 10. And what is this? Number 19. Those are important for you. The dog, I feel someone is very loyal to you, even though they behave very arrogant, very selfishly. But I think this person shares a loyalty or a deep connection with you. High priestess, a telepathic connection, a loyal connection. Your money issues are going to heal, friends. Don't worry. Someone wants to fix a connection with you. They will message you, try to reach out. Skeleton, past issues are causing you problems. Lot of past issues are happening, family, in the family someone keeps talking, or keeps talking about the past, or you keep thinking about it. The hat, yeah, I feel like this is a time to put yourself forward. The hat is to choose yourself, take care of yourself. Owl is again wisdom. Keep your eyes open. High priestess also has it. You see, this card also has an owl. Where is it? Ooh. Owl. Look at that. Owl. There is this owl. It's bringing a message for you. So keep your eyes open. Some important messages, dream signs are coming. And the music might be important. Also, some of you may get signs through music or some messages through music. Your person might send you some music trying to tell you what they want to tell you. Pound, I think you are very powerful, friends. You may be feeling powerless or stuck in a situation, but you are powerful. Believe and trust. Bo, remember that life is sweet, friends. Also, issues about children, pregnancy, marriage, all those things are important. The boxing gloves, yeah, there is someone fighting with you. There is someone arguing with you, maybe at work or in your family or love life. There is some sort of a conflict happening. Also, between your heart and mind, a conflict is happening, but you can resolve it. Focus on the flower, focus on what you really want, what makes you happy, focus on the good things in life. Hello, I'm cuter than you. So, yeah, I do feel Someone wants to, someone needs, is trying to take your attention. Maybe you are very busy, they want your attention. The drum beat, yeah, again, someone wants your attention. Look at this, the wedding. So some of you are worried about whether to stay in a connection, marriage, or leave it, or some of you are worried when you will get married. Maybe you are pressurized to get married. So marriage, commitment, all those things are important. You are a giver, yes, friends. I see yeah, green is also here. Sorry, not a giver, but a green. But I feel you are very giving people, friends, because I see you are helping everybody but yourself. Green, healing will happen. Mouse, again, the feeling of powerlessness. Mouse also reminds me that yes, even every mouse is powerful. Star, wishes coming true. Lion, yes, you are very powerful, friends. Power struggles are actually affecting your life. Two of coins, yeah, stay balanced, friends, stay balanced. You are very busy. Time, yeah, time is money for you now this week. This is a very fast week. Cows, take care of your health. Make sure to have proper nutrition. October is important. Six of Wands, success is coming your way. Prince of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. July and October are important. Four of Cups, yeah, you are feeling a bit like, oh, life will never change. You're feeling a bit disappointed. Three of Wands, progression will happen, expansion will happen. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. Queen of Air, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. Red is also important. Be passionate, be bold. So May is important. May, July, and October is important. And Six of Years, yes, a relationship will get better, friends. All your relationships, be it professional or personal, will get better. Ten of Coins, happiness is coming, so don't worry. June is also important. So May, June, July, October are important, and that's it for you, friends. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.